Okay, here we are in the parking lot of Chattanooga State Community College. There's my baby. She's trying to ride her bicycle for the first time.
But it's stuck.
Okay, put your hands on the grips for sure. There you go, that's the way. Okay, now push hard on your pedals. Go, go, go. You think you can go somewhere? All right. Let me turn this off and we'll try it again. Let's give her a little assist. Keep pedaling. Pedal your feet. Pedal. Watch where you're going. Keep pedaling. Pedal.
I got to fix it. I got to fix it.
What do you got to fix?
I know. I'm going to try to get this one. See, Abba?
Yeah?
You go this direction.
You can't go that direction. That would be a BMX trick right there.
I want to do a BMX.
Yeah, you got to turn your handlebars the right way, sweetie, or you're not going anywhere. Look up where you're going, sweetie, so you don't crash into something.
I crashed into you.
No. Evangeline's training wheel started coming a little loose, so here she is doing a little maintenance on it, getting it tightened up.
I'm screwing it up, Lena.
Yeah, you're screwing it up all right. Can you get it on there?
So cool, Papa.
I know, it's pretty cool, huh?
I can do it.
Okay, that's tightening it, which is good, which is what we want. Yep, that's the direction you want to go. Yep.
I can do it with my fingers.
Yeah, here, let me show you.
I got tight.
You did. Maybe we need to just put a couple turns on it, just so it's really tight.
I can do it.
Okay, hold on. Okay, turn this way.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay, go ahead. Did you do it?
I did do it.
Hold on, let me make sure it's done. Okay. Mission accomplished. Give me a thumbs up. Evangeline, give me a thumbs up. Good job. Did you say the ground looks like a hula hoop? Oh, push your pedal, sweetie. Don't come to a stop. Just when I'm getting the camera going. You were doing good until I started the camera rolling. All right, feet on the pedals. Feet on the pedals. Let's go. Pedal. So you don't lose momentum. See, you lost momentum because you came to a stop. Because you stopped pedaling. Straighten out your handlebars, feet on the pedals. Go, 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 go. Don't get stuck there. Don't. Bubba. You can do it. I'm trying to help you.